I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. I'm here with the Jazzy Ultra Light. I'm going to show you how to replace the joystick mounting bracket. So one of the most common issues people have with this chair is, these are reinforced arms. You can put your weight on them to get out of the chair. But a lot of people, what they'll do is instead of putting weight on the arms, they'll put their weight on the joystick and it will bend this bracket or break this bracket. So this bracket can break because it's a lot weaker down there. It's not reinforced like the arms are. So if you are going to push out of your chair, make sure you push back here, not right there. But I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's a pretty simple fix. I do have the parts in the description below. I have all the Jazzy Ultralight parts, so go ahead and check that link. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to disconnect the joystick. I have the arm up like this because I find it a lot easier to work while it's still attached. That way you don't have to hold on to it. So I have the arm flipped up. I have the joystick disconnected. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two screws out because we're going to remove the joystick. So this takes a 3mm Allen screw, one on this side, one on this side. We're going to take those out. Once those are out, make sure you hold on to the joystick so it doesn't fall, but we're going to go ahead and set it to the side right now. We're going to hold on to these screws. I don't believe they ship them with you when you order the bracket. So in case they don't, we're just going to hold on to those. Then we're going to remove the bracket. It's very easy, just like when you first assemble the chair. You'll loosen this and slide the bracket out. And then replacing it, you'll get your new bracket. Go ahead and slide it in. Go ahead and tighten it. You can try to do this while holding it. It's just a lot easier, I find, to have the chair hold it for you. And then from here, we'll go ahead and reattach our screws. Make sure that this cable goes through here. So I'm just going to try to hand thread them first. That way it'll hold my joystick in place. Then we'll get our 2mm Allen wrench and then tighten these two screws. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and reattach our joystick. Just like that, and then just double check I have power. We're good to go. This has been how to replace the joystick mounting bracket on the Jazzy Ultralight power chair. If you're interested in this chair or if you need to order these parts, go ahead and check the link in the description. I will have that available for you. If you have any other questions, please give us a call. We'd love to speak with you. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.